how to see card number on Apple Wallet. So for this, we will first need to go to our settings here, and we want to search for wallet. So once we have typed out wallet, in our settings, we want to click on the second option, which is wallet and Apple Pay. And right here, if you have a connected Apple card to your Apple Wallet, then you will be able to click on the card itself under payment cards. And once you click on it, it will actually display the card number for you. I don't have an Apple card connected to my account, but that's how you find it. So remember, you have to go to settings, you have to type out wallet, and then wallet and Apple Pay and payment card. So you want to click on the card itself that you want to see the number for, and then you will be able to see the full card number. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.